What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? Now, I think most of you know why we're here, but I uploaded my blood money reveal and I saw an overwhelming and crazy amount of this. And I was a little shook, you guys. Now, I don't know why we as people, we are scared to admit when we are insecure about anything, specifically me. Hi, calling out me right here. But I want to talk about that day real quick because there was an overwhelmingly amount of really intense comments and I can take a lot of heat. I know this summer when a lot of crazy stuff went down on social media, I woke up for a few months and every day there was people telling me to die and the craziest shit. Girl, I'm used to that, girl. I've been through it all. But this year, it's been fucking rough. And I think that sometimes maybe we make it look easy on social media. We make things look glamorous and really behind the scenes, maybe we're crying half the week. Maybe we want to give up. Maybe we're going through some horrible stuff personally. We're all going through something, I know that. But I just want to share, just us, I was having a horrific day when I filmed that reveal. I wanted to create a larger than life moment to match the feel of the collection, which is why I filmed that. I'm calling it like the sneak peek to blood money with the mansion and the alligator, and it was on Instagram. It is on Instagram. So I was so proud of that. Marcelo, you really killed it. Thank you, by the way. But when I saw that, I was like, oh, the reveal has to be even crazier. It really does. So I tried a bunch of new things. A lot of it did not work and it rubbed you guys the wrong way. And it was really hard to sleep last night. I was feeling so sick to my stomach after reading everything and I was just like, I just want to get on camera, turn it on, and just talk to you guys. So I'm looking down because I'm reading a lot of comments. I just wanted to like read a bunch of them. I screenshot like 100 of them just to be like, okay, let me see what people were really thinking about that vibe. I think the thing that hurt me the most was getting people getting their feedback that they were really disappointed, that I came off like I was in a QVC world, like it wasn't personal. And there were a lot of times where I was just looking down and I thought we were just recording audio. And these are not excuses. I'm just telling you what was going on that day. But I was going to insert, and I did, product shots, but there was also someone different that edited that video. Christian did not do that. And sadly, there was stuff of me like looking down and I'm like, oh my God, people are like, I had no idea people would take it as, he doesn't know his shade names. Baby, I name all my own palettes. These are all my concepts. Now you guys know that Jeffree Star Cosmetics is my life. It is my child. I wake up every day so excited to create, to do new formulas, and I have so much more to prove in this industry. I have so many new things coming, but I never want you guys to think that it's not genuine. I think that like really fucking hurt me. And I was almost scared to admit that, but I just always want to be authentic, myself. What really hurt my feelings was someone saying, Jeffree has reached the point where he's doing it because he has to, not because he wants to. And I was like, what? That really stung because my brand and this channel has become my entire world. The last 5 years, I have made hundreds and hundreds of videos. I am so proud of everything we've done here. But 2020, it's been fucking rocky. It's been fucking rough on a personal level as the brand is doing great and everything. See, that's the thing, is the brand is actually what makes me the most happiest. When I'm creating art, when I'm on set, when I'm filming, when I'm in the lab touching and playing with products and formulas, that's where I feel my most authentic. So to hear someone say the opposite, even though it may be just a few people, it normally doesn't get to me, but it did. And I'm not scared to admit that anymore. Now, I don't get on camera because I have to, but when you're personally going through stuff that you are not comfortable with sharing, when your family is going through a lot of health problems, when we are living in a whole new world, and all of our routines have changed. So I know sometimes I may make it look cute and perfect on Instagram, but that's my fault. But when I'm crying, I don't want to turn on the camera because I felt like when I did that before and I was too raw, too honest, people really like made fun of me and used it against me. And I was like, oh, like I'm just so used to being like really real and like bam that I had to turn that down. So there's just been a lot. Not traveling and doing any events, meeting anyone, being around my normal environment. It's been really, really tough. And I think all of us being at home for so long has taken a toll. So I just wanted to get that out. And there's other things that have been bothering me. Like this is gonna be the 1 year of me being single. And maybe I'll never thought I'd say this out loud, or maybe you would, but I miss being in love. I miss a family environment sometimes. And I've done some dumb shit that I'm not proud of. And hung out with the wrong people, and I'm just a human being. I know I make myself sometimes like I'm an untouchable alien, but bitch, I'm just one person. So, it's been a lot. And the blood money shoot, hi. Where's my child? So today, minus me just talking to you guys, anyone that wanted to see closer up swatches, we're back upstairs, and I just wanted to show you guys a lot of things that you guys were complaining about, like, bitch, we didn't get to see your extreme frost. Hi, it was so far away, we felt nothing. I get it, I rewatched it, and I'm like, you guys, I tried to make it over the top crazy thing, and a lot of you were like, bitch, we couldn't see anything. We had to get our glasses, and I'm like, oh my God, I get it, you're right. So, if you made it this far, I'm gonna go take 20 more hits, and I'll be right back. Okay, let's play with some makeup. Now, a lot of people said, Jeffrey, you had no humor in your blood money reveal. You made us sick. And I'm like, yeah, that day was rough. Hopefully, I can share with you guys what happened that day in a more detailed manner, but there was some drama in my family and some really horrible health stuff. So, girl. So, yes, dessert. So dessert and Dami and 2 other dogs are playing below me. you know, the dogs follow me everywhere. A lot of people go, Jeffrey, your house is big. Do you ever lose your dogs? I'm like, no, they're always right here. Okay, so hi, blood money. Do you guys actually want to see it up close? I'm so sorry. Like, oh my God. So here's the packaging. She looks fucking sickening. She looks like a full money extravaganza. And I like this unit carton because, hi, it's just different. It shows you the metal piece up close. So let me just unbox this. I love this mechanism. I know a lot of you were like, bitch, we couldn't see it, so we wouldn't know, but bam, fresh and sealed, hunty. Now here is what the clasp looks like. We're gonna zoom in with both of our cameras. And of course, you guys see it has the Jeffree Star logo. It's all, of course, crocodile print. It has gold hardware all over. And I'm obsessed with it. I wanted to do something more high-end than blood sugar. More high-end than blue blood. And I just wanted this to look like a designer, like, bag, basically. All right, so this lock mechanism is really easy. It just goes like that. Right to the right, and then voila. Now it does come with a plastic sheet for protection so the shadows don't get all weird. And hi, here's the palette. Now some people were like, there's not a lot of greens. Baby, there's greens. They're mainly all greens. Now this white one, maybe I didn't show it off good the first time. Divine Intervention, she's literally like white green. Like, it is such a pretty color, and it has just a really cool shift to it. Like, bitch, this is a highlighter. This is for the brow bone. Like, we'll drag it all the way down, Miss Mama. It has such a cool, weird hue to it. It's very like extraterrestrial. All right, now Chris is just gonna zoom in on all the shades, do a few sweeps, but I wanted just the full green moment with teals and emeralds and granny apple greens and army and khaki and mint and alien. And I mean, of course, every shade couldn't have been green, so I had to give you guys a few transition shades. Hi, a little highlight and a little this is like that sparkly crazy formula from Miss Cremated. She's everything, Miss Money Heist. Now I just did ruin the ski mask pan, but this shade, oh my God. It has such a pretty hue to it. Like, good morning. Oh, like she's really that girl. Good afternoon. All right, I'm gonna show off a few more. I know I didn't really show off the palette's full potential, but you guys, these, I mean, I always stand by my formula. This is the same as every palette that's come before it. Girl, Black Card Limit. Ooh, It has the sickest, let me just put it on my hand, green glitter in there, and it's like, oh, and it actually shows up. A lot of shades that have shimmer, they're like, they don't really show up. But this shade is like, oh, hi. Hi. Oh, it's so pretty. Now, a few more that are really standouts to me. Emerald Estate, Miss Mama. Oh my God. It's like Ocean Ice from Blue Blood, but a more like green, obviously, version. And it's just, oh, she's just that girl. Okay, now, I don't have any highlighter on, except on my brows, but I wanted to just put these highlighters on me. I am so proud of them. My Extreme Frost formula is so fun, so glittery, so obnoxious. Stripper Magic, hi. I love strip clubs, PS. Voila, there is Stripper Magic. She's fucking sickening. I'm obsessed with her. Now, it has a more of a platinum white gold moment, but with green little glitters in there. All right, let me put Miss Stripper Magic on these cheekbones. So there's a before, and here is me barely tapping it on. Oh my God. Oh. Like, bitch. It's also on my brow bone, of course, but hi, honey, how are ya? It's just it's the easiest product to work with. It looks so good. You don't have to face tune it or airbrush or Photoshop this. It already looks like, fucking blinding. Now the other one, Miss Cold Hard Cash, she looks like this. And it is more of a deeper tone gold with green reflex. Oh my God, ho, she's sickening. And we're just gonna touch her a little bit. Hi. Oh. I wanna like eat it. It looks like gold molten. Shall we swatch? Let's barely touch the cheek for her. Ooh! Yeah, this is way more gold, but it has this really cool like green undertone to it. Do you see a difference, Chris, in the shade on camera or no? Be honest.
I do in real life more than I do on camera.
Right. Oh no, this one's, okay, I see it. Yeah.
You see it, but in real life you see it more.
Okay, cool. Thank you for keeping it hide. Okay, now an essential part of the launch that I don't think I showcased good enough was my new eyeliners. Like, hello, I have a brand new product. They are called automatic eyeliners. We're pulling them all out right now. And I love this packaging. Like, there are some people that are like, Jeffrey, a new product in a launch? Like, yes, I wanna do things that are unconventional. You know, some brands are like, yes, Christmas starts in September. And I'm like, it doesn't actually at all. But that's how retail works. And now with Miss COVID, retail has changed a little bit. So I'm always on the course of the seasons of how they appear outside, bitch. So they're here. I have new eyeliners. I've been working on them for a while. They're really fun. They're automatic. And we're gonna open up a few and show you them close up. Hi, Miss Assets. So here's what the box looks like. It's really fun and easy to open. Bam! Now I just go like this. And that's it. It's so easy. Hi, the eyeliner's right there. And she's ready to come out and play, honey. Now, Assets is really good. I have it in here right now. But let me actually show you, the packaging. Here's what she looks like. Yes. Hi, Wheel of Fortune. Vanna White. Now we're gonna get a really nice close-up, and she works just like that. It's so easy. You don't need a sharpener for this one. Now, Assets is here in my waterline. It is such a nice deep green. Now, there are 5 shades with this collection, of course, and there were a lot of feedback, and they were like, Jeffrey, there's no black eyeliner. What the fuck? It's coming, I promise. But this collection was not giving me black eyeliner, baby. It really wasn't. It was giving me lime green. It was giving me khaki. It was giving me everything but a black liner. So that's coming, of course. Okay, next. Here's the mini bundle and a concussion. Now, she's here. She's sickening. Let's dust her off. Here's all the shades. The component is so different. We all know I do the pink top forever, but I just wanted to do something really different for this bundle. Now, there are 8 shades. There are 6 new ones. I think you'll all know Dirty Money and Crocodile Tears. I've had that in the brand forever, but the other 6, they are very new. Oh my God, Karma, she was very limited edition. If you got her before, she was never brought back until right now. Clocking myself. Let's just take them out. Miss Bankroll, bitch. She's sickening. Like, she really is that girl. It's such an interesting emerald foil. Like, girl, she is sick. Hi. It's giving you Wizard of Oz. It's giving, what is it giving y'all? But I just love this shade. All right, now Miss Dead Presidents. The irony of some of these shade names. This color's sickening. I'm obsessed with it. If you have Dirty Money, you'll still need this one because it's a way more like darker, cool toned version. But woo, she's weird and I love it. All right, hi. The next one, her name is High Society, and she's just a straight up pale mint. Now, I know I didn't swatch these in the video for the reveal. I just showed the lip swatches, and I'm sorry, that was my fault. This shade's sick. I'm just gonna use the palm of my hand. Hi. It's just a really cool mint. The other day, I used it as a base for eyeshadow as well. Remember, these are eye safe. But Miss High Society is that girl. All right, Miss Special Order, she's weird, but she's really fun. What is this shade giving y'all? It's like, it's obviously a more camel, orange, just bizarre color, but it just needed to go in this collection. Everything couldn't be green. I wanted to get a little artistic, if you will. I love it. It's like a weird pumpkin shade. Definitely sickening for the fall. All right, Miss Deep Pockets. It's a more, I would say just like a really nice chocolate brown. Like, bitch, she is sickening. So we're just gonna give her a little moment over here. Oh, so yummy. I just wanna eat it. All right, Miss Mini Bundles. I love doing these, and a green one was a must. Okay, the mirrors. Hello, new mirrors. I didn't even show off the packaging. So these are the 2 new mirrors for Miss Blood Money. Of course, we have the changes of packaging. The shade labels and colors are always up front here. So we have that green olive chrome, and then we just have the straight up matte, like forest green, in a new shape. Okay, so I wanna know at home, how do you guys open your mirrors when you get them? Do you like scratch off the sticker and like rip it open? Do you take your nails? Like, what do y'all do? This is what I do. I just go, whoa! Oh my God, okay. Hi, always protected with these. Ooh, she's pretty. Whoa, it's like reflecting and almost looks gray. There we go. Whoa, on camera, it's not reading how it looks in real life, I feel like. Isn't that cool? Whoa.
It's not registering even when you catch the light. It's really weird.
Isn't that so bizarre? What if I put a light on it? That is so, ooh, up there kinda. It's so weird. It's an optical illusion. It's definitely like a really like olive bright green, and on camera, it's looking a little weird. But it's very chrome and it's very cute. All right, and the second one, oh, hello, good morning. I just love the soft touch mirrors. They just feel so good. And I love the new coin pattern. I put it in the Extreme Frost, in the mirrors, on some of the merch. Oh, I just love it. This is probably my favorite one. All right, there was a little bit of a more closer look at Miss Blood Money. Thank you guys so much if you made it this far in the video. Now, final thoughts. There is a lot of other transformations and changes going on in my life. I know a lot of you were like, Jeffrey, you're looking a little bit more toned or sculpted, or something looks different in your last video, and I am on a full-on new fitness journey. And when you change your entire diet, when you change your entire routine, and when you add on a lot of new things, sometimes your brain goes through a lot. So we are documenting that journey, and it will be up on my channel soon. All right, you guys, so I will see you on the next video. Mwah! Love you. Bye.